Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 MacBook Air 13-inch with Apple's powerful M4 chip, designed specifically for Apple Intelligence. If you're looking for a sleek, ultra-portable laptop that doesn't compromise on performance, this is the one to watch. The 13.6-inch Liquid Retina display is stunning, vivid colors, sharp text, and brightness that handles any lighting condition with ease. Whether you're working, streaming, or editing, everything looks incredible. Under the hood, the new M4 chip brings next-level speed and efficiency. Multitasking is effortless, apps launch instantly, and even the most demanding workflows are smooth and responsive. It's tailor-made to handle the latest in AI features Apple has to offer. With 16GB of unified memory and 256GB of SSD storage, you're getting both the speed and space you need for a seamless experience. No lag, no long load times, just pure performance. The 12MP front-facing camera supports center stage, keeping you perfectly framed on video calls, while Touch ID adds a layer of security and convenience for quick logins and purchases. And of course, the midnight finish looks absolutely gorgeous, sleek, modern, and professional. So if you're ready to upgrade your daily tech game, this MacBook Air is a top-tier choice. Click the link below for the best price and thanks for watching.